5 ways to make Facebook recommend your videos. 1. Post high-quality and engaging content. Ensure your videos are valuable, entertaining, or informative. High-quality content that resonates with your audience leads to more likes, shares, and comments, which Facebook's algorithm prioritizes in recommendations. 2. Optimize for watch time. The longer users watch your video, the better it performs. Create engaging intros to hook viewers early and aim for videos that keep users watching for a significant portion of the video. 3. Use captions and eye-catching thumbnails. Many Facebook users watch videos without sound, so adding captions can increase engagement. Also, an appealing thumbnail can catch the attention of scrollers, prompting them to click on your video. 4. Post consistently and at optimal times. Posting videos regularly helps keep your audience engaged and signals to Facebook that your content is active. Posting at times when your audience is most active can also improve video visibility and recommendation. 5. Encourage engagement, shares, likes, comments. Ask your audience to engage with your content by liking, sharing, or commenting. Engagement boosts the video's visibility and increases the chances of Facebook recommending it to more people. This video is from Vec Rich Media. Please, if this video is good for you, like, comment, and share. And see you on my next video.